Hello students, welcome to physics class. In this class, we will continue with the previous topic, that is the determination of relative velocity, and we will discuss two special cases when two objects move parallel to each other, how we will evaluate the relative velocity, that is velocity of one object with respect to another. Suppose we are having two objects A and B, both are moving parallel to each other. Since these are moving parallel to each other, so their velocity have been represented by arrow pointing towards the right direction. So we know that the relative velocity is, we want to find out relative velocity of A with respect to B, that is VAB. We know the formula, VAB is equal to VA minus VB. This formula we had derived in our previous lecture. So now we'll put the value of VA and VB. Now since VA and VB both are in the same direction, so these values will taken as positive. So VA is also positive and VB is also positive. We'll place or we'll put both these positive value in this equation, then we'll get the value in scalar form VAB, that is relative velocity of A with respect to B is equal to VA minus VB. So what we had get that relative velocity of A with respect to B, magnitude of this velocity is equal to the difference of magnitude of the individual velocity. For example, suppose two trains are moving in the same direction, one with the velocity of 100 km per hour and other with the velocity of 80 km per hour. Then what is the relative velocity of A with respect to B, means A B से कितना fast जा रहा है, that will be given by 100 minus 80 and answer will be 20 km per hour. So relative velocity is equal to the difference in the magnitude of two velocities when both objects are moving parallel to each other. So that is written in this formula, that magnitude of relative velocity of A with respect to B is equal to VA minus VB. Similarly, we can write down VBA, velocity of B with respect to A is equal to VB minus VA. So let us understand it with the help of an example. A car A is moving at 60 km per hour on straight road, is ahead of B moving in the same direction at 10 meter per second. Find velocity of A with respect to B and velocity of B with respect to A. Both objects are moving parallel to each other. So see here, what is VA? VA is 60 km per hour. So we'll convert it into SI units first, that is 50 by 3 meter per second. VB is 10 meter per second. Students, what we have to evaluate? Relative velocity of A with respect to B and velocity of B with respect to A. Let us start with velocity of A with respect to B, that is VA minus VB. And we had seen in the above article that when two objects are moving in the same direction, the velocity, relative velocity is, magnitude of relative velocity is difference in the magnitude of both. Since both are moving in the same direction, so we will take V as positive value plus 50 by 3, VB is also plus 10, so VAB will be equal to 50 by 3 minus 10 means 20 by 3 meter per second. It means if a person is sitting in car B and he or she sees car A, then it appears to him or her moving ahead by the velocity 20 by 3 मीटर पर सेकेंड, कि B को ट्रेन A, B को कार A कितनी स्पीड से आगे जाता हुआ दिखेगा, 20 by 3 मीटर पर सेकेंड. एक्चुअल वेलोसिटी कितना है कार ए का, 50 by 3 मीटर पर सेकेंड, लेकिन वो बी को कितनी वेलोसिटी से आगे जाता हुआ दिखेगा, 20 by 3 मीटर पर सेकेंड. सो आपसे पिछले लेक्चर में भी हमने शेयर किया था रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी हमें ये बताता है कि कोई भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट दूसरे से कितना फास्ट या फिर कितना स्लो जा रहा है। तो यहाँ हम बता सकते हैं ए इज़ मूविंग अहेड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू बी बाय वेलोसिटी 20/3 मीटर पर सेकेंड. Let us solve for VBA, velocity of B with respect to A. Again VBA, since VB is positive and VA is positive, so we'll put the same values. VBA will be equal to 10 minus 50/3. Answer will be minus 20/3. So what do we mean by minus 20/3? Minus 20/3 means negative sign indicates that person sitting in A sees car B lagging behind वाई स्पीड -20/3 मीटर पर सेकेंड. कि ए से अगर कोई ऑब्जर्वर कार बी को ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है तो वो उसे कितनी पीछे दिखेगी, उसे लैग करती दिखेगी विद स्पीड ऑफ 20/3 मीटर पर सेकेंड. Now let us start with the another case when two objects are moving anti-parallel to each other. So see here, A and B are moving anti-parallel to each other. A is moving towards the positive direction of x-axis and B is moving towards the negative direction of x-axis. So we have to evaluate VAB. In vector form we know that VAB is equal to VA minus VB. Now we have to put the values of V and VB. Since VA is acting towards the positive direction of x-axis and so we consider it as positive. So VA is positive and VB, since it points in the negative direction of x-axis, so VB is taken as negative. So when we put these values of VA and VB in this equation, we will get VAB is equal to VA minus time minus VB. So answer will be VA plus VB. Means velocity of A with respect to B is equal to VA plus VB. It means we can say that magnitude of relative velocity is equal to the sum of magnitude of the individual velocity. For example, suppose again we are talking about two trains, one moving with the velocity of 100 km per hour, other with 80 km per hour. If both are moving in opposite direction, then velocity of A with respect to B will be 100 plus 80, that is 180 meter per second, or if you are measuring in kilometer per hour, then answer will be in kilometer per hour. So what we had done, we had added their velocities since both are moving in opposite direction. So similarly, magnitude of relative velocity of B with respect to A will be equal to vector B minus vector A. On putting the values of VB as minus VB and VA as VA, so we'll get the value of minus time VB plus VA. Let us solve one numerical over this concept. Two rail tracks are parallel to west-east direction. Along one track, A moves with a speed of 30 meter per second from west to east. See here in this diagram, from west to east, A is moving with the speed of 30 meter per second and B is moving from east to west with a speed 48 meter per second. Calculate velocity of B with respect to A and velocity of A with respect to B. तो स्टूडेंट्स, जब भी हम relative velocity in one dimension का concept करें, first of all we will assign or we will assume which direction of motion is positive. So in this case, what we assume that let motion from west to east is positive. West to east, again positive direction of x-axis, we are assuming it as positive, and so VA will have positive value. VA is equal to plus 30 meter per second since it is moving from west to east. And what about velocity of B? It is given velocity of B is equal to 48 meter per second from east to west. So we can write it as minus 48 meter per second. A क्योंकि राइट साइड पर है, हम पॉजिटिव ले रहे हैं, तो it is obvious that VB, which is acting towards left side, will have negative values. So velocity of B with respect to A, we know the formula VB minus VA. Since VB is minus 48 and VA is plus 30, so answer will be minus 78 meter per second. And minus sign indicates that its direction will be from east to west. Next one is velocity of A with respect to B. Velocity of A we know 30 and velocity of B we know minus 48. So answer comes out to be 78 meter per second, and since it has positive value it means its direction is from east to west. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ इन द अबव न्यूमेरिकल कैलकुलेट. अब इसी न्यूमेरिकल में ही हम इसको एक्सटेंड कर रहे हैं. इफ सपोज वी हैव टू इवेलुएट द रिलेटिव स्पीड ऑफ ग्राउंड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू बी, देन हाउ वी कैन इवेलुएट relative speed of ground with respect to B. So it means we will write it as velocity of ground with respect to B means velocity of G with respect to B. It is equal to velocity of ground minus velocity of B. So we have to evaluate VGB. Velocity of ground is always supposed to be at rest. VG is equal to 0, and velocity of B students, what we have taken minus 48. So we will put here 0 minus time minus 48. It means it will be equal to plus 48 from west to east. Now one another numerical base over it. Jet plane is flying horizontally with a velocity of 600 km per hour. See here, velocity of jet plane is 600 km per hour. Burnt gases are ejecting from rear of jet. यहाँ पीछे से जो गैसेज हैं वो स्केप कर रही हैं विद ए स्पीड ऑफ 2000 किलोमीटर पर आवर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू जेट प्लेन. इट मीन्स व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस वेलोसिटी ऑफ गैसेज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू जेट. पहले हमें क्या गिवन है, वेलोसिटी ऑफ जेट. A jet is flying horizontally with a speed of 600 km per hour means it is its absolute velocity, और इससे हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं velocity of jet with respect to ground. And second thing is given velocity of gases with respect to jet plane. So velocity of gas with respect to jet plane is 2000 km per hour. What we have to find out? We have to find the velocity of burnt gases with respect to ground. So velocity of gas with respect to ground. So we'll write down the formula. Velocity of gases with respect to jet is equal to velocity of ground minus velocity of jet. Let Vj is positive. Positive direction of x-axis is taken as positive. So we'll assume that Vj is positive. Vj comes out to positive under this under our assumption. So Vj is equal to plus. So we'll get the plus 600 km per hour. If Vj is positive, then it is obvious that Vgj will be negative and its value will be minus 2000 km per hour. Now we will apply the formula. Velocity of gas with respect to jet is equal to velocity of gas minus velocity of jet. So what we have to find out? Vg. We'll put all these values. Velocity of gas with respect to jet is minus 2000 is equal to velocity of gas minus velocity of jet is 600. So velocity of gases is found to be minus 1400 km per hour. One more numerical over this concept. Two parallel rail tracks run north-south direction. A moves towards north with 54 km per hour while train B moves towards south with 90 km per hour. Students, I had taken the first train A and second train B and shown with the help of diagram, and I had assumed that the north direction is lying towards the positive direction of x-axis and south is lying towards the negative direction of x-axis. So what we have to find out? We have to find out VBA, and means velocity of B with respect to A, and second we have to find out velocity of ground with respect to B. So what is VA is 54 km per hour and its value comes out to be 15 meter per second, and VB is 90 km per hour, its value found to be 25 meter per second, and it is given VA is acting towards north and VB is acting towards the south. So we will apply the formula of relative velocity. Velocity of B with respect to A is VB minus VA. VB is given minus 25. Since we are taking VA as plus 15, अगर VA आपका प्लस है तो it is obvious कि VB क्या होगा, माइनस होगा. So by putting the values of VB and VB and VA in this equation, and what we will get? we will get, on putting the value of VB and VA, what we will get? We will get minus 25, minus 15, minus 40 meter per second. And since velocity comes out to be negative, it means it acts towards the south. दूसरा हमें क्या चीज़ फाइंड आउट करना था? दूसरा हमें फाइंड आउट करना था वेलोसिटी ऑफ ग्राउंड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू बी. So velocity of ground with respect to B is equal to velocity of G minus velocity of B. So velocity of ground with respect to B is equal to velocity of ground is assumed to be 0 minus VB is minus 25. So answer will be plus 25 meter per second, means it will be towards south. हम यहाँ पर कह सकते हैं कि अगर B हमारा मूव कर रहा है टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, टुवर्ड्स दी साउथ साइड, तो ग्राउंड कैसे जाता हुआ दिखेगा? इट विल अपीयर अस टू moving with the same velocity 25 meter per second but towards the north side.